Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce stomach fat. It is important to understand that you cannot target fat loss to one specific area of your body. Instead, focus on reducing your overall body fat percentage through consistent effort. This approach is crucial because excess belly fat, especially the deep visceral fat, is strongly associated with serious health concerns. By adopting a holistic strategy, you will see improvements across your entire body, including your midsection. When it comes to diet, prioritizing protein is key. Aim for about 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight daily to boost satiety and metabolism. Incorporate plenty of soluble fiber from sources like oats, beans, and berries, which helps you feel full longer. It is also vital to significantly reduce refined carbohydrates, sugary drinks, and processed foods, as these contribute to fat storage. Instead, opt for healthy fats found in olive oil and avocados to support your overall health. Physical activity is a powerful tool for reducing stomach fat. Strive for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, on most days of the week. Additionally, integrate strength training into your routine to build lean muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does, boosting your metabolism. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, can also be very effective for burning calories and reducing overall body fat in shorter periods. Aim for a total of 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle factors play a significant role in reducing stomach fat. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as insufficient sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. Managing stress is also crucial. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which can lead to increased visceral fat. Furthermore, limiting alcohol intake is beneficial, as alcoholic beverages often contain empty calories that contribute to fat accumulation. Remember, small, consistent changes in these areas can lead to substantial, lasting results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.